Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix location problem on your iPhone Bet365. First thing I want you to do is just launch up your settings on your iPhone and just scroll down here. You'll see privacy. I want you to tap on this, and then from here you'll actually see location services. So it is toggled on, but I want you to tap on this. Make sure it's toggled on, and I want you to identify the app you want to do this for. So for you, it would be Bet365. I'll just show you an example with this one right here. So just tap on that. And all you need to do is tap on your Bet365 app and allow location access. Make sure it's not at never. Make sure it's at least at ask next time or while using the app. And then next, I want you to just go ahead back to your settings, click here on VPN, and go ahead and turn off any VPN that you have, right? So you can turn off your VPN right here as well, your personal VPNs as well. Toggle them off because that also messes with location problems. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.